Crypto doesn't need an explanation these days. Crypto has grown very quickly in the last few years. Because Rndr is so powerful and has so much promise, its value and growth are expected to be through the roof. Rndr price is harder to predict and more affected by market factors than other asset classes. However, we chose to make the best guess about Rndr's future value and growth. As we predicted, the price of Rndr, RNDR, went as high as $5.04 and as low as 0.00 last month. The average price was $4.05 last month. Rndr grew by 35.934054955637774% last month if we look at growth as a whole. Based on our Rndr price prediction from last month, we thought that Rndr, RNDR, would continue to move up in the coming months. Right now, Rndr costs $4.99, but it could soon reach a high point of $10.55. We thought that the price of RNDR would drop by -10.83% at the start of March 2024, based on how the price of Rndr has changed over time. The price is likely to go up by as much as 111.24% by the middle of March. Most likely, RNDR will grow by 79.97% by the end of the month. Based on the way the market is right now, the price could go as high as $17.68 or as low as $14.70 by 2026. In any case, $16.85 could be the usual price of RNDR. RNDR is now worth $5.02, which is $2.69 more than it was 3 months ago. 115.5%. As the market improves over the next 12 months, RNDR is expected to grow by a large amount. Rndr has a score of 96 out of 100, which means it is currently showing signs of going up. It is thought that the price of Rndr will go up to $9.03 by the end of 2023. In the last 24 hours, the price of Rndr has gone up by 9.12%. After going through a bear market, Rndr has seen a lot of growth over the past year. Now that Rndr has grown so quickly, it should hit a high point of $19.07 in the next few years. Due to the bullish time RNDR has been going through, investors in Rndr have seen returns of over 13.67% on their money this past week. Our study of RNDR's basic indicators led us to believe that a small correction might happen in the next few days. The price of Rndr has gone up by 9.12% in the last 24 hours. It has grown steadily over the last week, adding 13.67% to its value. Investors in Rndr are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. The price of RNDR has gone up by 28.96% in the last 30 days, adding $1.13 to its value from $3.89 and raising the market size to $1,890,296,964. You should wait to buy Rndr until there is another bear market if you want to do so today. In the last 90 days, the price of Rndr has gone up by 115.5%, going from $2.33 to $2.69.